Hey you guys, it's your girl Jackie here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I wash my dirty brushes. Of course, this is a list of items that you will need, and they would be dirty brushes, the Roma laundry detergent, a white hand towel or any color, and a large bowl. And right now I'm just putting the hot water into the large bowl. I'm going to submerge all my dirty brushes into that hot water. I find that when I do this method, it actually loosens up the product on the brush, so that way I really don't have to spend too much time cleaning them. Once I get all the brushes into the water, I'm going to just go ahead and put some of that Roma laundry detergent into the bowl. And once I get that into the bowl, I'm going to swish it around a little bit. As soon as I put that detergent in, how the product just immediately starts coming off the brushes. So you guys, this is the easiest way to clean brushes in my opinion, and very cheap. The Roma detergent is only like $1 at Walmart. So right here I'm just putting a little bit of the detergent into my hand, and I'm getting my larger brushes and just making sure that those larger brushes are clean in the middle. A lot of times they don't get as clean if you don't do this method. So basically the powder, the grit from this detergent is what gets the inside clean super easy. Okay, so now that my brushes are clean, I'm just going to take them out of that dirty water, and I'm going to dump that dirty water and rinse my bowl out a few times. So now that I've rinsed out my bowl, I'm going to go ahead and put some cool water in the bowl and just place those brushes into that cool water. And this is like the rinse cycle of brush washing. It's just getting out all that extra suds and what have you. And I will be doing this a few times, so I'm going to dump that water and place again those brushes into some more cool water. And each time I do this, you'll actually see the water get a little more clear. Okay, so now that my brushes are super clean, I'm just going to do one last rinse on them, and that's it, guys. I'm just double checking them, making sure everything is clean. And now I'm going to just squeeze out the excess water and place them onto my hand towel. And make sure when you place them onto your towel for drying that you don't place them on top of each other. Make sure that they all have its own space, and that allows them to dry much quicker. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like more videos like this, just let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.